Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix face unlock not working on your OnePlus 12R. So actually this is a very easy thing to fix. At first we need to open the phone settings, and now once here we need to scroll down to the security and privacy. But before that, what I recommend you to do is to take a microfiber cloth like this one, close your phone, and now wipe the screen and camera area at the top. Once done, you can just check if your face unlock works. As you can see, mine is without any problems. If yours do, that's nice because you can now leave a like and subscribe. If it still, for example, doesn't, we have to move next. Here, tap Device Unlock once again and tap Fingerprint Face Unlock. Here, tap Face. Draw your lock screen pattern. And now here we have to delete our face data, which was saved. Tap delete right here. And now we need to scan our face back again. Tap add face and tap add now. Here in this frame we need to have our face. I'm here. The face needs to be between 20 and 50 centimeters in this range, like from the phone. Tap done, and now if it works, that's nice. But if it still doesn't, you need to ensure good lighting during the setup and use. For example, now, as you can see, it works, but without the lights, it won't work. But here I do have nice light. Apart from that, you can go straight to the, wait a moment, where was that? Here, to the system and update, tap software update, and here if you do have any updates, update your phone immediately because you may have some software bug to fix. As you can see, I'm up to date. If you do see it here, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.